Hello, my name is Yuval Bloomberg. I lived, worked, and traveled in East Asian countries. This channel is all about East Asian cultures, travel destinations, politics, stories, and more. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any future content I'm uploading frequently. How to meditate. Simple guide for beginners. If you're someone who is always busy getting things done, it seems aligned to you to sit quietly and breathe. You are not the only person who finds meditation strange because far too many people are caught up in busy lifestyles. Since you want to know how to meditate for beginners, we would ask you to take it as a challenge of learning and unlearning yourself. Meditation takes you through deeper aspects about your life that you are foreign to us yet. We are here to tell you what meditation is and why you must do it. What is meditation? Meditation trains our mind similar to how we train our body through fitness. According to East Asian cultures, meditation is equivalent to sport. Different meditation practices need different skills, and it all relates to controlling our mind. The primary objective is to attain mindfulness, where a human mind can focus on a particular thing. With regular meditation practice, a person becomes more attentive, aware, and has better mental clarity. It gives us the power to be emotionally calm and helps us get better in the work front. How to learn meditation. The digital world makes almost everything possible online, so you don't need to go out looking for meditation classes. If you want to follow a proper meditation routine and know how to live to the fullest, you must sign up for the Alive and Dare program. It takes you into the journey of Giovanni Dientzman, an international author and meditation teacher. He has penned down his teachings, practices, and experiences which will help you master your mind and your life. If you sign up for the online course, you will go through a complete guided meditation program. It includes the 4 practices of self-transformation that eventually helps you fight stress and anxiety. To improve your overall well-being and to become more mindful, learn meditation in a systematic way and live a timeless life. Reasons why you should meditate. If you are in two minds about why you need to meditate, we will give you the most important reasons. 1. Self-awareness. People primarily do meditation to improve self-awareness. We are so caught up in busy lifestyles that most of us fail to have self-conception. Meditation is an effective way to focus at a moment and give time to yourself. 2. Rejuvenating. Meditation takes you away from negative emotions and leaves you in a calm state of mind. It is a form of self-healing process that our brain needs. Once you learn the meditation techniques for beginners, you will realize how it rejuvenates you and nurtures your mind. 3. Fights insomnia. Meditation helps you to become more mindful, and that improves your sleeping pattern. Many insomnia patients are asked to attend meditation sessions to help them heal faster. The technique of listening to your breath relaxes our brain and stimulates good sleep. You must meditate for 2 to 5 minutes before going to bed if you face sleeping disorders. 4. Improves health. Meditation improves our immune system, lower cholesterol, and also reduce blood pressure. 5. Improves concentration. If you're someone who tends to procrastinate at work or lose focus, you need to meditate every day. The practice will help you improve at work because it helps you concentrate better on what you are doing. Meditation clears your mind, and that also helps you focus better on one thing rather than on multiple things. 6. Reduces anxiety. Anxiety is a cognitive state that is related to our inability to control emotional responses. It happens to us when we feel worried about something and we can't keep calm. With meditation, we become more mindful and can regulate emotions properly. 7. Fights stress. One of the many reasons why people turn to meditation is its power to fight stress. When you meditate, it helps you to focus on your mind and eliminates a stream of jumbled thoughts. These thoughts are often reasons that cause you stress. If you meditate regularly, you will be able to fight stress and start becoming a quick problem solver. 8. Keeps you happier. Meditation makes you more mindful and let you see life in different perspectives. You start taking things easy and learn the purpose of how things flow. Every situation becomes clearer to you and your actions work accordingly. Meditation keeps you happy and lets you live life at large. Meditation Beginner Guide. First, clean up the mess. If you are planning to meditate indoor, we would ask you to keep your room clean and tidy. A messy room can make you feel uncomfortable and it's easily destructive. Since you have to come to a calm state of mind, start with a positive ambience. 2. Sit and relax. You won't know how to meditate properly until you have a comfortable posture that lets you relax. Meditation needs your body to be at peace, and any point of discomfort can disrupt your session. You can either sit straight on a chair as you place your feet firmly on the ground, or sit on the floor in the easy pose. 3. Start meditating. The best time to meditate is early morning, and it's best if you follow it up with an exercise routine. When you calm your body after adrenaline rush, it keeps your sense more alert. You can either meditate in the open air or in a quiet room that allows in the morning rays. 4. Inhale and exhale. Close your eyes and breathe by inhaling and exhaling deeply. Repeat the process 10 times and try to understand how your body feels. You might have destructive thoughts, or you might find yourself anxious or tired. But you must start again to do it right. Just the way you count the number of times you do an exercise, count every time you inhale and exhale. It will help you concentrate on your breath and allow every part of your body talk. 5. Clear your mind. A beginner's mind is bound to wander, but that shouldn't be a reason to give up. You need to know how to motivate yourself to tick through the entire session and start all over if needed. It might leave you frustrated during the initial days, but you need to repeat the practice to get better. After around 5-10 days, your mind won't get as distracted as before, and then you go into deeper meditation practices. The importance of consistency in meditation. Meditation is one of the finest routes that take you deeper into yourself and expresses aspects you didn't know. It helps you understand yourself better and allow you to measure every action you take. If you treat meditation like a gym for your brain, you will realize that you are going one step ahead towards fitness. Keeping your brain happy and calm is as important as nurturing your muscles, so incorporate this in your daily routine. As beginners, you just have to motivate yourself enough to hold on to the practice of meditation. You might not be able to do it every day or follow a proper routine initially, but do it every time you can. Remember that it's easy to start and stop, but you need to find a way to maintain the routine. Allow yourself to indulge in the power of meditation, and you will have changed your life for the better. It will help you understand more about the world and help you explore your purpose of life. Frequently asked questions about meditation for beginners. 1. How do you meditate for the first time? As a beginner, you must start meditating by creating an environment that helps you become mindful. It starts by decluttering the room where you want to meditate or finding the perfect spot in the open air. You also need to choose what to sit on and then follow the right steps to start meditating. 2. How do you meditate for beginners? You must maintain a comfortable posture for meditation and make use of a chair or cushion for that. Close your eyes once you have settled in the perfect posture and breathe naturally. Slowly focus on your breath and see how your body feels when you inhale and exhale. 3. What do you think of when you meditate? Most people think that meditation is only about clearing your mind and stopping all possible thoughts. However, meditation helps you focus on your attention. You might start by focusing on one thing, but find your mind wandering to another. You should stay along the natural flow and rather than breaking your meditation midway. 4. How do you meditate in bed? Meditating right before going to bed can ensure a night of relaxed and sound sleep. You must consider abdominal breathing, where you put your focus on your breath. You should also spare a few minutes for mindful meditation and focus on aspects of your life. It will keep your anxieties away and help you sleep peacefully. 5. How long should a beginner meditate? Beginners must meditate for 5-10 minutes every morning. If it seems too difficult for you, you can start with 2 minutes and then slowly move to 5 minutes. 6. How do you clear your mind? When you are in solitude and have environment to meditate, you can sit and relax. This is the first step to clear your mind. You might have varied thoughts just before you start meditating, so you must observe them but not get attached. Once you have acknowledged your thoughts, let them go, and it will help you bring back focus to the present moment. 7. How should I sit while meditating? Make sure your back is straight and your knees and hips are aligned when you are seated on a chair. Place your feet firmly on the floor and start meditating. You can also sit on the floor and take the posture of Sukhasana or the easy pose. Beginners should avoid lying down and meditating as they have more chances to fall asleep. 8. How can I meditate without thinking? Once you have clean environment and you sit relaxed, your body will be eager to concentrate. You might have several thoughts right before you start, but if you slowly focus on your breathing, it will keep your thoughts away. It might take time and your mind might divert in between. Even if you can concentrate for 1 minute at stretch, it will be helpful. Start slow and gradually you will be able to keep destructive thoughts away. 9. Should you listen to music while meditating? You have to be very selective about the music you listen to while you meditate. Music must help you meditate better and not distract you. Calm music beats are perfect for a meditation. 10. How to meditate daily. To put meditation into daily practice, you have to get into a routine. If you commit to exercise every morning and end it by meditating for 5-10 minutes, you will follow a good routine. Keep an alarm handy for the initial days. Once you get used to your routine, it won't be a problem. 11. How to meditate on God. To meditate on God, you must learn a few verses from the Holy Scripture you follow. These lines must include a meaning that makes a difference in your life or helps you connect with God. When you sit to meditate, you can repeat the verses and strengthen your relationship with God. 12. How to meditate deeply. It will take you time to meditate deeply. You need to have a calm body and a happy mind. You must know your intentions and affirmations. Deep meditation is possible when you accept your distractions, but you are too focused to let it matter to you. Practice meditation every day to be able to deeply meditate. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to like and share this video. See you on the next video.